Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to work with the pivot table fields in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here, and we have some data. So this is from the last video where I explained how to insert a pivot table. In this video we'll look at the pivot table fields here. So as you know, using the pivot table you can summarize the data in the table in many different ways, and you will understand that in a moment. So now let us look at the pivot table fields box here. So as you can see, we have 5 fields here. They are player field, team field, role field, goal sheet field, and assist field. So they are nothing but the same table titles that we had in the data. In this case, it is here player, team, role, goal set, and assist. So the table title becomes the pivot table fields. So now we are not able to see the pivot table. Just click inside this area. So click over there and you will see the pivot table fields box again. So the table titles, you call them as fields here. Got it? And again, at the bottom, you have 4 areas. They are filter area, column area, rows area, and values area. So now let us see how to work with the fields and areas here. So always in the values area here, drag one of the field which has number. So in this case, it should be goals hit or assist because they are the table titles with the numbers below them, right? So I'll drag the goals hit from here and drop it into the values area here. So now we can see number of goals hit, right? And I can left click on it and remove the field. And again, I'll drag the assist field from here and drop it into the values area, and you can see the sum of assist. Got it? You can left click on it and remove the field, or else you can just drag it from there to the worksheet to remove it. Got it? So now let us again bring the goals hit field to the values area here, and again we'll get the team field from here to the rows area and see what happens. See now, you can see the goals hit by each team. Can you see that? And in the same way, if you drag the role field to the column area here, you'll see the table in more detail. So from each team, how many goals were hit and who hit them, defender, forward, or midfielder. Got it? So the pivot table makes it much more easier to understand what is actually going on in the table. So I'll remove the roles field from here and let us look at the filter area here. So I'll get the role from here and drop it into the filter area, and you'll see a filter button here and you can select which one you want. So defender, okay. So now you see the goals hit by only defenders, and if you change it to forward, goals hit by the forwards, and in the same way midfielders. Got it? So try out the different combinations. The pivot table is very flexible and you can summarize the data in number of ways, as you can see here. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.